If you're tired of constantly being in a financial pinch, there are several proactive steps you can take to begin turning your situation around. Here's what you can do. Assess your current situation. Track all expenses. For a month, write down every penny you spend, from rent and utilities to that coffee you grabbed on the way to work. Determine your income. Identify all sources of income and total them up. Create a budget. Based on your expenses and income, develop a monthly budget. Reduce expenses. Cut unnecessary spending. Identify wants versus needs. Shop around. Whether it's insurance, a cell phone plan, or utilities, make sure you're getting the best deal. Eat at home. Reduce the frequency of dining out or ordering takeout. Increase your income. Ask for a raise. If you've been at your job for a while and have been performing well, it might be time. Seek additional employment. Consider part-time work, freelancing, or gigs. Sell unused items. Websites like eBay, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace can be great platforms. Save, even if it's a little. Open a savings account. Start by saving a small portion of your income regularly. Emergency fund. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Tackle debts. List all your debts, from largest to smallest or by interest rate. Consider the debt snowball or avalanche method. Snowball focuses on paying the smallest debts first, while avalanche focuses on those with the highest interest. Educate yourself. Read financial books. There are many excellent personal finance books out there. Take online courses. Websites like Coursera or Udemy offer courses on personal finance and investment. Avoid new debt. Live within your means. If you can't afford it, don't buy it. Use credit cards wisely. If you use them, try to pay off the balance in full every month. Seek professional help. Credit counseling. A credit counselor can offer guidance on managing debt and building a budget. Financial advisor. If you have some money to invest, seek advice on the best strategies for your goals. Stay committed and patient. Review and adjust. As your situation changes, adjust your budget and financial goals accordingly. Celebrate small victories. Recognize your achievements, no matter how small. Personal finance is a marathon, not a sprint. Immediate changes won't magically fix everything, but consistent, positive habits over time will make a significant difference.